Yeah, this is Keith again. The rattling noise in my car. I replaced the belt tensioner. It was really easy, 3 bolts. No more clicking sound. Sounds a lot better. The old one actually more groove in the engine block. And just so you know, I'll show you those parts. The old part. It would be on the truck like so. Really hard to tell. Oops. Uh-oh. Got a little bit of a problem there, don't we? Total cost for a replacement part, $35. Of course, it looks like you can replace the pulley, but I'm sure there's a bearing or something in there. But I'm sure that bearing's destroyed. So see where this has been rubbing on the engine block there. Again, really easy to do. 3 little bumps on the top there. Quiet as a mouse.